This could be the car for you. The 2024 Hyundai Kona. Here's a Hyundai Kona, the connected and versatile SUV that brings a fresh sense of adventure to every outing. You'll love the advanced safety features and easy-to-use touchscreen infotainment this right-sized, subcompact crossover offers, not to mention its comfortable cabin and agile ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, navigation system, moonroof, heated mirrors, premium sound system, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls. Feel the freedom to have fun when you're behind the wheel of this spirited Kona. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.